Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wa ala alihi Sayyidil Mursaleen. Amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear viewers, today we are going to discuss about Qadianism, also known as Ahmadi or Marzi. They also call themselves as Ahmadi Islam, yeah, or Ahmadi Muslims. The founder of this religion, Qadianism, was Mirza Ahmad Qadiani or Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani. Today we are going to present the basic belief of Qadianism. Let's move to today's topic, that is Qadiani kalma, Qadiani belief. So the Qadianis try to cheat all Muslim and give trouble to all Muslim to present the kalma that actual that is different, but they show to all Muslim that is a bit different. Let's see with the help of references that what kalma toyib is. Let's move to the first slide with reference. This screenshot is from Aqaide Mahmudiya, and the author was Maulvi Mir Shah Gilani Peshawari. So in this reference, as per highlighted text, in highlighted text, that is highlighted means under the box, I'll show you just a sec. Yeah, yeah. Text which is in the box, I'll explain you. He's saying that he confessed that Allah is one. He confessing in his book that Allah is one and no one for worship except Allah, and Mirza Ghulam Ahmad is prophet. Astaghfirullah Maazallah. Translate same in Arabic as Islam ki replacing Prophet Muhammad name by Mirza Qadiani. Astaghfirullah Maazallah. Here you can see in Arabic he mentioned that La ilaha illallah Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Rasulullah. He tried to actually he is saying like that in this reference he's saying if he's confessing that Allah is one and no one else for worship except Allah, and Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Rasulullah Astaghfirullah Maazallah. If we believe that, we assure that Mirza Ghulam Ahmad is a Rasulullah, then what's the problem? Why? If we translate in Arabic language that La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah with replace this with La ilaha illallah Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Rasulullah Astaghfirullah Maazallah, as he's saying that because we इनसे जब क्योंकि जब पंजाबी और उर्दू ज़बान में आप कलमा पढ़ सकते, yeah, he's saying that if we are reciting kalma in Arabic and Urdu, that is La ilaha illallah Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Rasulullah Astaghfirullah Maazallah, then what's the problem with Arabic language? Why we are not reciting in Arabic? Same this mention Arabic like La ilaha illallah Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Rasulullah. This actually he is concerning this author was concerning with other Qadianis that we are reciting kalma in Punjabi. We are reciting this ibara in Punjabi. and Urdu. Why we are not in Arabic? What's the problem with Arabic? So this actually here we clearly see that he tried to ask other that we should have to recite in Arabic also. So here we clearly see that how they what the kalma of Qadianism is, and but they are presenting Islamic kalma and try to fit on their own Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani. So here's the screenshot if any one of you is able to read Urdu. So here I'm going, yeah, here I'll, yeah, here is that Ibara. You can see, I think this one, okay, I'm taking back, yeah. So here you can see that Ibara we just discussed about that one, this one. So let's move. If any one of you are able to read Urdu, you can read yourself and understand that what exactly he is saying. So move to the next. Another reference is from that is Kalmatul Fazl and the volume 14 and page number 158 158. This is volume 14 and page number 158. Here you can see that he is again confessing that Prophet Muhammad Allah of Allah that he will send last prophet, last or final prophet one more time as per last ayah. So Masih Maud, the mean of Masih Maud in Qadianism means Mirza Qadiani is Prophet Rasulullah Astaghfirullah Maazallah. So here we will see in Zoom. So here he mentioned that uh, here I will translate. The promise was Allah that He sent His prophet, last prophet, once more time, as He mentioned in His last ayah, Akhirin Manham, and through that we can see and here se Masih Maud Khud Muhammad Rasulullah means he's saying that Masih Maud means Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani is a prophet Rasulullah Astaghfirullah Mazla means the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. They are claiming that Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam reborn in Qadian and Mirza Ghulam Ahmad in the form of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani Astaghfirullah Maazallah. So after that they are saying that Islam के लिए दोबारा, yeah, he's saying that the prophet come reborn for Islam, so we don't need to make new kalma, we say to new ayah, so that ayah is sufficient because Prophet Muhammad reborn, so we don't need another ayah, another kalma to recite. So here are the two references which are from their Qadiani believers. Now we are moving to the founder. What founder says in his books. This is reference from Ruhani Khazain and volume 18 and page number 207. Mirza Qadiani clearly mentioned that from the Revelation Muhammad and Rasulullah name given to me Mazallah Astaghfirullah Qadiani book screenshot is attached. Yeah, sure. And if anyone of you can read Urdu, you can read here. So here he's writing that I'll show you from, yeah, आजिज को रसूलुल्लाह करके पुकारा गया means Qadiani said that he was called by Rasulullah and in his book the reference in ayah, that wahi means ayah means um, communicate from Allah to his prophet. So in wahi he's mentioning wahi day, and in translating in Urdu, yani खुदा का रसूल नबियों के हलूम में देखो इब्राहिम ने, yeah, he's saying that. And after that he is like, फिर इस किताब में इस मुकालमे के करीब ही ये वही अल्लाह है. Yeah, he's saying that actually in Islam we have kalma like la ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. This is uh, this this ayah, we say this ayah is this kalma is from two ayah. One is one part is collected from one part, that is La ilaha illallah. This is in separate different ayah, but Muhammad the Rasulullah is in different ayah that is mentioned below, mentioned here. So actually we Muslim believe that La ilaha illallah Muhammad the Rasulullah means these are from two ayahs. And here Qadiyani said that in second one ayah, that is Muhammad Rasulullah, here just mentioned, he said that in this wahi, in this ayah, my God gave me a name of prophet, means Muhammad, as well as Rasul. Astaghfirullah ma'azallah. So he is claiming here that I am Muhammad and I am Rasul too. So here we can see this is not a normal thing. This is not a ordinary. This is very, very important. This is the basic belief of Islam. So Mirza Qadiani tried to implement this ayah on him. This is his kufr. He, this is not a ordinary. I mean, we say this is not an ordinary thing for. This is very important for our Muslim. This man hurting all Muslims and try to we say try to fit these ayah on him. So I suggest every Muslim to be careful from this person. So in his books, actually this in this book say Ruhani Khazain, this is a collection of all Mirza Qadiani's book. So be careful and be careful about Qadianism. So this is not a normal. Actually he is claiming he is a prophet. So and in his books he is going to show the different references in his book that he is a prophet. So here is the we are exposing him. But if we talk of with Qadiani, they will never accept that. They will never say that Qadiani is a Rasulullah, Astaghfirullah, Ma'azallah. But they will say Prophet Muhammad is or a prophet who is Prophet Muhammad who is in Medina Park. So they will never accept, they will never say you that Mirza Qadiani is Rasulullah. But in his books, this belief. Actually the thing is that why they don't agree with Mirza Qadiani Ibara on this particular topic, because they know if we say that if we say Mirza Qadiani is Rasulullah, then no one Muslim will accept Qadianism. So just they try to mislead, they try to distract, they try to keep out people from Islam too and taking bring in Qadianism. So that's why they do such these things. So let's move to the next ayah, next reference. Next ayah, next reference. Yeah, here is the Zoom version of same ayah. So moving to the next. So this is Ahmadiyya Central Mosque. Actually, here you can see that they wrote that La ilaha illallah Ahmad Rasulullah in this previous, means this is old pitch of their central mosque. So move to the next. Actually, they modify this ayah, this kalma La ilaha illallah. Here you can see clear. You can clearly see that in Muhammad is modified. They try to in previous it was like that alif ha and then Meme and Dal Ahmad. Actually, the previous was Ahmad, but to distract people to from Islam to and bring in Qadianism, so they make a meme from Alif. So they just try to distract people so from original. From they will never show clear picture. They will just try to distract you from Islamic, I mean, so yeah, from right path to this divergent religion. Means they just try to expand their religion, but they don't mean that what Islam is. Actually, they treat all Muslim as a kafir, or they are not Muslims. So that's why they this is their trap we just exposed by their kalma. So next time we will see you again with different topic. So for today, this topic is also inshallah. I'll see again in next. So see you again in next topic. So. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.